Hello, my bananas. It's Brianna. Thanksgiving is coming up, and if you're like me and you want to take it kind of easy this year, but you also have the task of the turkey, and you also have to work the morning of Thanksgiving, let me make it easy for you. Today we're going to make kind of a Thanksgiving-y casserole, and it's going to have green beans and a kitty. Say hi to Palooza. No, she's not talking. I've been preheating my oven, so it's gonna have turkey, green beans, sweet potatoes, those crispy onions, cream of mushroom, and that's about it, and some seasonings. So it's only a few ingredients. It's gonna be really simple. You can double the recipe, triple the recipe. It's gonna be really easy, and then you'll have everything all in one casserole. So let's get started. I'm also pretty lazy, and I feel like relying on my magic this time to get my ingredients out. So here we go. So we have ground turkey, seasoned sweet potato puffs. They're just like tater tots, but sweet potato. I've been preheating the oven to the temperature on this bag, which is 425. Crispy fried onions, cream of mushroom. Now, on the back of this does say 0 cholesterol. It does contain milk, but 0 cholesterol. We got French style green beans. I insist on the French style because of the texture. When you have like a whole bean, even if it's like cut, it's just, you can tell that it's in there. But with the French style green beans, sometimes you can't even tell that you're eating them. They just kind of blend right in, even though they're green. If that makes sense. For seasonings, onion flakes, garlic powder. I usually put Italian seasoning, but we're doing Thanksgiving-y, so I have thyme, sage, and rosemary. Rosemary, it's like these, you get these huge sticks of seasoning, so I've cut it up a little bit. Might be easier in like a herb grinder or whatever, but I just don't like the big leafy sticks. So I cut up about a teaspoon. I'm going to use about a teaspoon of those each of the seasonings. Throw it all in here, throw it in the oven, throw it out, and then we're going to try it. So let me start browning this turkey. I like to use one of these things to mash up my turkey and ground meats of sorts. I'm also going to do some salt and pepper. We're back. I've browned my turkey. Here she is. Smells like Thanksgiving turkey. So now I'm going to put in my creamy mushroom. I'm also going to throw in this whole can of green beans that I've drained. Okay. You don't have to like bring that to a boil or anything. I just want the soup to melt a little bit and mix in with everything. So we're going to throw this in my pan. It's up to you if you want to spray it. I usually don't because it doesn't stay in there for very long enough to like crustify my pan. So now we're going to throw in our sweet potato puffs. You just want to like cover the top like this. Just enough tops to cover the top. If you want, make a cute little design. Make a kitty cat. I don't know. Make a little picture with your tots. Now I'm going to toss on some of these crispy onions. Just a good heaping handful. And that's it, you guys. I'm going to throw this in the oven now for 16 to 18 minutes, just so the tots get done. Everything's going to be bubbly and nice and hot, homogenized. You know how it goes in the oven. So, see you soon. Okay, guys, I took it out of the oven. It was super bubbly. Kitty! Also, what I did as soon as it came out of the oven, was sprinkle a little bit of salt on the tater tots. So, let's dig in. This is actually something I make all the time, but with regular tater tots. But lately I've been doing the sweet potato tots, and it's just as delicious. This serves like 2 to 4 people, I'd say. Usually just me and my husband, because it's so good. We eat the whole thing every time. Also, I did the full 18 minutes so I could get these tots a little bit crispier. Make sure everything was bubbling. Still super hot, but let's give this a try. Ready? Pink. Mmm. It does taste really Thanksgiving-y. You know what else you could do is get one of those just little boxes of stuffing. Make that up, put this on the side of it. That would be delish, which I'm probably gonna do. Pretty good. It's a little bit sweet with the sweet potatoes, but you still have the herbiness of all the seasonings you put in there. Crispy onions, you get a little bit oniony. Turkey is nice and lean. Green beans are good for you. So it's like a green bean casserole plus turkey and sweet potatoes. So bam. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Hope you try this for yourself. It is delish. It's really easy, really fast compared to a whole turkey. And happy Thanksgiving, most of all. Tell me what you're thankful about in the comments, please. I'm thankful for all of you guys, all my bunch of bananas. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.